All right, today we are talking all about my holiday gift guide and some of the top items that I think either you or someone in your life is going to love. Let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Desmond. I make videos about tech, travel, and lifestyle gear, and we are talking all about gift ideas. So let's jump right into it. First thing I want to talk about is the Ember Mug 2. This thing is incredible. I actually got this as a gift. And one of the things that I love about this is as a coffee drinker, a tea drinker, especially in the current fall and winter weather, because it keeps my beverages hot. And the best thing about the Ember Mug is it's pretty intelligent. It connects directly to a mobile app that lets you set the temperature. I have mine set to 140 degrees. So whether it's coffee or tea in the mug, it keeps it hot. And the Ember also comes with this charging plate that you can plug in. You place it on there and you have hot coffee or tea or anything you want to drink. Next on my list is for those who love to stay organized in your life. And this right here is the Alpaca tech case. I really love this particular organizational pouch. This is the limited edition red. So what I really love about this particular tech case is its shape and the materials. So if you take a close look here, this is made from a high quality X-Pack material and it's got weather sealed zippers. And when you open this up, you can see some great organization. You've got a nice zipper pocket. You've got a couple of pockets here. I actually have some GoPro batteries. We'll talk about that in a bit. And I actually use this to carry my action cameras. So all in all, this is a great buy, especially for someone who travels a lot. You can throw all of your tech essentials in here. It holds its shape really well, and it is perfect for those that love to stay organized. Next on my list, and you got a glimpse of it earlier, is the DJI Action 2. I think an action camera is an absolute essential for anyone that loves to document on the go. And the DJI Action 2 is a great option in 2023. This camera is incredibly small. It uses a magnetic mechanism to attach an extra screen, extra battery, and the other accessories that you want to use with this. And what I really love about the DJI Action 2 as an everyday action camera is the size and convenience. So this magnetic mechanism is great, not only for attaching, say, this secondary screen or additional battery pack, but also great for attaching to other accessories like the neck lanyard, different mounts that make it really fun and functional to use. And I definitely recommend the DJI Action 2 if you can get it for the right price. I was able to pick up the dual screen version for under $300. That, in my opinion, makes this particular camera worth it. Now for the normal $500 or some odd dollars for the dual screen version, I would definitely recommend something else. But you can likely find this online for great holiday prices, so I would definitely take a look. Next on my list is a more classic action camera. Again, for those in your life that love to document everything and anything, a GoPro is an essential. This is the GoPro Hero 10, which you can get a pretty good price on, especially with the GoPro 11 out. Now, the GoPro 10 and the GoPro 11 share a ton of similarities, especially the form factor. So you're really getting boosts in picture quality and a few other features if you go with the GoPro 11 route. But either way, a GoPro Hero 10 or GoPro Hero 11 is a great addition to your shopping list if you know someone in your life that needs an action camera. This thing is incredibly robust, beautiful 4K footage all around, absolutely one of the best action cameras on the market. And one of the reasons why I may recommend the GoPro over the DJI Action 2 is because GoPro has been in the game for a long time, which means there are hundreds and hundreds of different accessories that you can throw into a stocking or under the tree for that special someone. Next thing on my list, especially for someone who loves their Apple Watch, this is the Nomad metal bracelet. And I'm gonna do my best to show you the actual boxes that these products come in, just so you know what you're gonna be wrapping or packing. So take a look at that. This is a beautiful bracelet. And one of the things that I love about the Nomad metal bracelet over some of their other offerings, they have great leather straps, sport straps, is this is different than anything else on the market. It really steps up the look of that Apple Watch. So if you've got someone in your life that's just recently picked up an Apple Watch, or maybe they got one for the holidays, this is a great addition. Now, next on my list and following the theme of wearables is a hat, especially the Alpaca Elements cap. So take a look here. I talk about this cap and wear this cap all the time. But what I love about it is its minimal branding. Absolutely nothing on this hat. And the other thing I love about this is the magnetic closure. So this is really great for pulling your hat on and off. I don't know how often you would unbuckle it, but this is actually something I fidget with pretty regularly when I've got my hat around. And here's a look at the packaging that the hat comes in. So this is actually something that's really easy to wrap, but you pop this open, and I have it here in the tan color as well. The Alpaca cap also comes in black. I have 3 of them in black because I love this hat so much. I would highly recommend this particular product for the hat lover in your life. All right, now if you've got someone that has just about everything, these next few items may hit the mark. Now, these right here are products by Caldera Lab. They make incredibly well-formulated skincare products for men. So as someone who has a ton of stuff and gear and bags, I could actually always use more skincare, because I don't say this often enough, but skincare is self-care, man. Guys got to take care of their skin, and it is wildly important. So a few things I want to call out here. First of all, this is the good. And again, I just want to make sure I'm showing you the packaging so you know what you're packing, what you're wrapping, and how it'll look when you gift this. And this is the good. This is their multifunctional serum. I use this every single night before I go to bed. It smells incredible, and when I wake up, I feel refreshed. My skin feels really hydrated, and it just does a great job of keeping my skin looking healthy. And next, this is an essential. If there's only one thing that you buy from the 3 products I'm showing you, I think I would recommend the Clean Slate. So the Clean Slate, here is the packaging, beautiful matte box. So the Clean Slate is the cleanser from Caldera Lab. This is something I use a few times a day. When I wake up in the morning and I wash my face, I'm using the Clean Slate. Middle of the day, depending if I'm working at home and I'm feeling a little bit oily, I will do the same. And I use the Clean Slate at night before I go to bed. So this is a great product that I would highly recommend. And finally, the Caldera Lab base layer. So take a look at the packaging here. And the Caldera Lab base layer is their moisturizer. And again, like other Caldera Lab products, this is something I apply multiple times a day. So first thing in the morning after I wash my face, maybe halfway through the day, and then I will do some before bed. Keeping your skin moisturized is really important, especially during these cold winter months. It will keep yours or someone in your life's skin looking really healthy and hydrated. So one thing I will say, I think these 3 are available in a bundle. It's called the Regimen. So for the Caldera Lab Regimen, you get the Clean Slate, you get the Good, that serum, and then you get the moisturizer. So honestly, those 3 are a great starter skincare routine for anyone in your life. And next, for that person in your life who's just looking for a great set of essential menswear, I would highly recommend Cuts. Now, Cuts has something called Cuts Kits. Say that 4 times fast, but Cuts Kits is a great way to gift someone the best essentials that they need to fill out their wardrobe. I wear Cuts on the regular, but this makes shopping really easy. For example, this is one of my favorite Cuts kits. Comes with a classic hoodie, it comes with one of their incredible t-shirts, and it comes with one of their joggers. So that is a full outfit for any and every day for that person in your life. And like I said before, one of the things that I love most about Cuts is the quality of their products. So no matter which Cuts kit you pick for that person in your life, you're going to know that the quality of that material is going to impress them. As soon as they open up that package, as soon as they throw it on, they're going to really appreciate the quality of these products. Next, let's talk about the gym goers in your life. First, I want to recommend the Beats Fit Pros. So I'll give you a look here. I did keep the box so you can take a look here. Obviously beautiful packaging. This is an Apple-owned brand. And here are the Beats Fit Pros. Let me open this up for you. I actually prefer these over the AirPods or the AirPod Pros or the AirPod 3s for when I'm working out and in the gym. So the reason why I prefer these is because of the way that they fit. So let's take a closer look. You've got this nice little wing tip here that keeps it lodged in your ear. as well as changeable earpieces. And as someone who goes to the gym pretty regularly, I find that having something with a very secure fit to be incredibly useful, especially when you are running, jumping, jump roping, lifting weights, doing whatever you do in class or at the gym. The other thing that's nice about these is they actually have active noise canceling. So a lot of the gyms that we go to tend to blast music from speakers. You've got people lifting, got people talking. So when I'm in the zone and I want to get a really good workout in, the noise canceling is incredible. So the Beats Fit Pros, highly recommend for that person in your life that needs a pair of headphones for the gym. So sticking to fitness, let's talk about recovery. So for that person in your life that is constantly getting injured or that's constantly sore from lifting so much, I would recommend the Venom Go from Hyperice. Here's the box, again, just so you can get an idea of what you're wrapping. But here is the product up close. So what is the Venom Go by Hyperice? Well, it's really a portable heat and vibration device to help you relieve tension and ease soreness. So for the person in your life who is constantly sore or complaining about soreness, this may be a great option. So what you can do is you apply this sticky pad to the area of soreness, and then the Venom Go magnetizes to the pad. Once you turn it on, it delivers heat and vibration to that area for a designated amount of time. I personally find this really useful. I keep it in my gym bag. So after a long workout, or let's say I hurt myself during a particular lift, I can apply heat and vibration to that area immediately, giving me faster recovery and relief. And I'd say this is a great option for people in your life that are really into CrossFit, cross-functional classes, or just doing fitness classes in general, because it'll fit right into their bags. It's easy, it's portable, they can use it as often as they'd like, and it's not very obtrusive. So the Venom Go by Hyperice, perfect recovery tool for those in your life. Next on my list is another workout tool, but this is by a company called Therabody. So this right here is the Wave Duo, a smart vibrating roller. Give you another look at the packaging. This is actually a pretty heavy product, which is nice, and it feels premium. So when you wrap this up and somebody picks it up, this is gonna feel dense and really, really nice. Very exciting to open. So I'll open this up for you. You can see it comes with its own carrying case, which is great, but here it is. Smaller than you would expect, but very, very efficient. So take a look all around. The Wave Duo is, again, a great companion for those that enjoy going to the gym, that go to different classes, because one, it's portable, and two, it is incredibly useful. So warming up for a long, hard, arduous workout, having a roller is incredibly important. And also post-workout, being able to roll out your muscles after a big workout is going to help with recovery. The best thing about the Wave Duo, like I mentioned, is that it vibrates. So you've got your power button here, you just turn that on and it will begin to vibrate. It has multiple levels, 2, so you have 5 levels of vibration on the Duo. And again, highly recommend. This is small, it's portable, it's functional, and something that can easily be thrown in their gym bag. So speaking of gym bags, next on my list is one of my favorite gym bags. This right here is the Redux gym bag from Stuart Lao. I love this gym bag. High quality build, great materials. You get this water resistant nylon material here. You have leather accents, and you have a ton of functionality. So if you take a look at the bottom, hopefully you can see that this is a rubberized bottom. Again, when you're going to the gym, you're going in and out of like locker rooms, having something that is water resistant to keep your gear dry is really important. Flipping over to this side, the other nice thing about this particular bag is that it is built for work and play. So you've got a ton of storage inside for your essentials. And when we flip it over to the other side, you've actually got a whole compartment for your laptop, which is great, and other essentials. So this is a great everyday bag. You can take it to the gym, you can take it to the office. It has plenty of storage to carry all of your stuff. And one thing that I do love about this particular bag is that you have a shoe compartment. So you can carry additional shoes, dress shoes, sneakers, whatever it is that you need to bring to and from the gym. The Stuart Lao Redux, again, one of my absolute favorite everyday bags. I carry this regularly to the gym, and it fits all of the gym essentials that I mentioned earlier. I would highly recommend this bag for that person in your life who seems to have everything. One of the things that a lot of us do have is gym bags, but Stuart Lao offers a high quality, refined, and much more upscale version of your classic gym duffel. So we're gonna stick to bags. First, we talked about the gym bag. Now let's talk about a weekender. So this right here is the Oak and Rove weekender. You can see that this is obviously larger than the Redux that I shared a bit earlier, but for that person in your life that is constantly traveling, that's looking for something they can grab and head out the door with for a weekend vacation, the Oak and Rove weekender is incredible. I think this is called the Kennedy weekender. It has a ton of storage and a ton of functionality. So one thing I love about the Oak and Rove brand is their dedication to function. If you take a look here, you've got these great external pockets, easy access, lots of different storage options. You've got one here as well. And one of the reasons why I recommend the Oak and Rove weekender as a great option is because there are people in your life who may have large duffel bags or what they would consider great weekenders, but Oak and Rove takes it a step further with all its functionality and organization. So again, not only do these two front outer pockets open up for really unique and helpful storage, but you get this large opening as well. So you have this clamshell style opening. So this whole compartment actually opens up. So you've got space for a laptop, a tablet, all of your additional dongles. And that doesn't include all the space you get on the inside of the bag. So again, for that person in your life who may have a weekender, it might be time to upgrade to something like this. The Oak and Rove Kennedy weekender, again, highly recommend for that traveler in your life. And finally, the last thing on my list, and also a bag, this is the Satchel and Paige Counselor briefcase. So we've all got someone in our lives that needs a high quality, traditional, well-built briefcase for work. And that is exactly what the Satchel and Paige Counselor briefcase brings to the table. This thing is absolutely beautiful. It is made from full grain Italian leather. Every little detail is thought about, and I'll have a full review on this particular briefcase later on. But what I love about this briefcase, again, is not only the high quality build and the materials, but the functionality that they were able to pack into something that looks so traditional. I'm just gonna give you a quick look inside. The inside is actually this really high quality suede material. Tons of interior storage and pockets. You can hold a lot in this particular bag. So the laptop goes in the center, then you've got space on either side for different types of gear. And one of the reasons why I would recommend the Counselor over, say, some of the other smaller Satchel and Paige bags is because this is a great hybrid for those that need a briefcase for work and a briefcase for travel. So you can carry a ton of stuff in here for everyday use, but when that person in your life has to get on a plane, when they have to go on a work trip, they also get additional storage for the things they need when they are on the go. Again, exterior pockets lined with this beautiful super soft suede. You've got brass finishing on the bottom. All the details on this thing scream high end with a relatively great value price. So finally, for that person in your life who is looking for a serious briefcase, I would highly recommend the Satchel and Paige Counselor. All right, and that is it for this gift guide. If you enjoyed this content, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. I will catch y'all on the next one.